guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, good morning. For today's video, we are going to Balacbac. I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. and we arrive here at 7 a.m. in the morning. As you see, there is a river here, right? So we're gonna pass by that river to go there. So I want to share with you the Bible verse for today is Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. So as you see, there's a lot of stone, there's a lot of nature, there's a grass, there's a mountains, because God is created all of them. Without Him, we are nothing, right? So all of that is created by Him because He is so wonderful and so amazing and powerful God. So guys, it's obvious that this place is mountain and surrounded by a lot of trees and grass. So this place doesn't have a signal. Hey guys, we go here together with my pastor, young people, and also the family of my pastor. We are only riding in the tricycle. Yes guys, because we don't have a car or other vehicle to use. But we thank God because even though we have only tricycle, we made it here by His grace. Guys, as you see, the other vehicle and the tricycle like that, it's capable. Look at that guys, the other people get the water so they can use it. Oh, the water is so refreshing. I can feel it. And also there are bikers that passing by also. Look at the rock. We're gonna walk. Two choices. The first one is this one, and the other one guys is here.
Eh di wow.
If you go in Bamban Tarlac, you must visit here in Balacbac.
Balacbac!
Try the refreshing water.
Refreshing water! Paano yung refresh?
Ganyan yung refresh na, ganyan. May dala ako, te.
Ulitin mo lahat na sinabi ko, pre.
Ready, go!
Oh! There is a batcha. I don't know in English. What is the English of batcha?
Wow, basta ba siya?
Toot, toot, toot! I'm far away from the video.
Follow up! Ano eh?
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share.
Eh di wow.
Yeah, guys, this one is like...
Hindi ka, kasi ako marunong mag-dance.
Hi, guys!
Kung marunong ka pala mag-
Almar? He's gonna jump! Yeah!
Welcome to my vlog! Ngayon, ibablog natin ang nagbablog.
Hi, tita!
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys! So yun ako, no vlog? Dito po tayo sa mga vlog nito. Brother Jam!
Wala na, nga na yung vlogger.
Ano mo mga Brad? Bigot lang ako.
Saan nyo na si Ate Kat?
Ayan na!
Marami nang nalalaman yan! Itumba na natin!
Marami ang lalaman.
Kailangan ka na namin itumba. Marami ka nang nalalaman.
Nice try.
Ani, baka tumaob yung dalawa, ha? Kumusta ka naman dyan, Sister Kat? Super namutla ka na.
At yung timba? Ay, ba? Ito na sa araw. Aray. Welcome, hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Nandito po ngayon tayo sa Balacbac, sa Bamban. Ngayon, ibablog ko po yung nagbablog. Ang ganda ng buhat ng nagbablog.
Dito ka na, vlogger. Dito ka.
Siya makalis doon.
Nag-parking na siya.
This is our lunch for today. So we have hot dog grill. We have fish grill. That is tilapia grill. And this one is the mussel. Okay guys, this is our food for today.
Mamaya picture tayo lahat dito.
Budol fight.